Alex Hoffman here with Century 21 Trophy Class, and I have a special property coming at you guys today. We are in Haring Township, Cadillac, Michigan, taking a look at a 40-acre parcel located off of the seasonal 28.25 road. This property has a lot going for it, features rolling hills throughout, red pine timber, and it's located only 5 miles away from downtown Cadillac. The parcel encapsulates a portion of a seasonal pond, and you also have fiber optic and electric available down the road just a ways. And right across the road, you also have the Missaukee Junction Trail, which includes 50-inch for dirt bikes and 4x4s as well. As always, you guys check out the video. If you like it, give me a ring, and don't forget to check out the link below, and it will bring you to our website that includes comprehensive mapping and more details. Enjoy the video and have a great day.